Nestled in the crossroads of Adventureland and adjacent to the Tiki Room, the Tropical Hideaway is a quick-service location featuring exotic snacks and a place to rest for park guests and the most exotic adventurers. The location itself is a quick-service sit-down cafe. Their most popular item, and arguably one of the most popular snacks in the park, is Dole Whip. But unlike the Tiki Juice Bar at the entrance of the Tiki Room, which only serves the pineapple soft serve, the Tropical Hideaway features a number of specialty whips, including Raspberry Swirl, Chili Mango, and the specialty Loaded Whip. This is hands down one of our favorite dining options in Adventureland. Adventureland is one of the smallest lands in Disneyland, so seating at dining areas can be hard to come by. However, the way the Imagineers created this serene corner restaurant makes it feel extra magical, like an extension of both the Jungle Cruise and the Tiki Room.
They also serve a few extra sweet treats, such as seasonal lumpia and mochi, and several varieties of savory bao buns, including a vegetarian option. The Tropical Hideaway is themed after a bustling bazaar, paying homage to its previous tenant, Aladdin's Oasis. From brightly covered Moroccan lamps to talking birds, the Tropical Hideaway does a great job of bringing the many aspects of Adventureland together. Despite how busy this venue can be, the lines move quickly, and guests usually don't stay seated for long, so you'll most likely be able to find a seat promptly. We personally like the extra seats on the balcony next to the Tiki Room, because it overlooks the Adventureland thoroughfare. One important note is that the Tropical Hideaway does not accept mobile orders, unlike its smaller counterpart, the Tiki Bar, that does accept pre-orders. And neither of these quick service options give discounts for annual pass holders, so you will have to pay full price here.
All of the Dole Whips are whimsical and provide a fresh take on a park classic. We definitely recommend opting for the Tropical Hideaway restaurant over the Tiki Juice Bar, especially if you're a park regular and want to try something new. Our personal favorite is the Raspberry Pineapple Swirl Whip. If you're in the mood for some extra protein, we suggest one of the members of your party grab some skewers from the Bengal Barbecue just down the road and meet you at the Tropical Hideaway. Then you can all eat a full meal together.
If you're on a budget and want a filling snack, the savory foods can be a great quick meal option. We recommend the beef bao bun. We kind of think it tastes like the beef stew you get in New Orleans, but instead of a bread bowl, it's wrapped up in a hot bao bun.
If you want to get there while the line is short, then we suggest going before the main meal hours to avoid the crowds. However, if you're okay to wait a little while, we recommend going in the afternoon between lunch and dinner for a delicious pineapple pick-me-up.
The location and theming are great. While the dining area can get a little chaotic when people exit the Tiki Room, we do think it's the best place in Adventureland to sit and relax. We will say though, that aside from the Dole Whip, the food is average. It helps to tide you over, but if you're looking for more food options, there are definitely better places in the park.
Overall, we'd give the Tropical Hideaway 6 out of 10 Mickey ears. Make sure to check it out the next time you're at Disneyland. And if you've never had Dole Whip before, trust us and the millions of other parkgoers when we say that it's a must-eat. Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.